the potential tragedy that looks like it's unfolding
Yeah.
at the Titanic shipwreck. The new information we're getting is that banging can be heard like every 30 minutes from sonar there. So it leads people to believe that potentially these 5 people on board may be still alive.
That's got to be eerie if you're already looking in the depths of the ocean for this missing capsule and you're hearing banging.
God, if they are down there banging trying to get rescued, can you imagine what hell they are in right now? We're in the last 24 hours potentially of them having enough oxygen in that tank. Can you imagine what they must be going through in there?
I can't imagine. I mean, like, they're at the bottom of the ocean right now. That is unreal.
And 13,000 feet down is almost unfathomably deep. Like, it's so far beneath the surface of the water. When you kind of think about it, it's easier to understand that why it's so hard to find them. It's a horror movie.
Yeah.
It's an absolute horror movie.